Very good day, friends. Today we are going to learn about the shape sphere. A sphere looks like as a ball. In this figure you can observe that this is the center O and the three lines, the points A, B and C we have taken from the center O, A, B and C. So OA, OB and OC, they all are the radii of this sphere. So in this AB is the diameter, OA is radius written as small r, OB is also the radius written all by the smaller, and OC will also the radius of this sphere. So friends, as I told you that when you draw a semicircle as a 2D object and rotate it along with diameter 360 degree, so you will get a sphere of which practically you can understand it. So friends, you will get this such type of sphere having center, its red line shows its diameter, black line shows its radius. Now friends, as I told you that this is a three-dimensional object, so on paper it is not easy to understand it. So therefore by imagination only we can understand what is a sphere. And you do not compare a sphere with the circle, because circle and sphere, they both are the different thing. Circle is a 2D object and sphere is a 3D object. So now after getting the diameter, its radius, its center and its figure, let's understand few other parts from the figure. So see here, this figure, in this is the sphere, and in this sphere the center and radius where it will be. From this figure you can understand easily the center and radius of this sphere. This sphere is having only one surface, which is the chord surface, you can say, or you can say only the surface. Just see this object in this figure also. From this figure it is also clear that where will be the center and radius. As I told you, this radius is, if it is known, so it means you can find out all about this sphere. As I told you, it has only one surface, which is called surface area, or you can say chord surface area. So that's why, since it is chord and it is only one, so it is always said as surface area of a sphere. So to find the surface area of this sphere, we have to see what will be the formula. As radius is only the known quantity in this, only one quantity is in this, that is r. So the surface area of this sphere is 4 pi r square. From this figure it is also clear where will be the center. So 4 pi r is the surface area of this sphere. From the figure it is clear. After getting the surface area of the sphere, so let's understand that hemisphere, when you cut this sphere in two equal parts, you will get a hemisphere, and after cutting the hemisphere you will get two surfaces of this hemisphere, one chord surface and second the flat surface, which is the circular. Okay friends, so from this figure we can understand what is the chord surface and what is the flat surface, that is circular base. So this shaded region is curved surface and the below side is plain region, which is the circular base of this hemisphere, that is flat surface. Okay dear friends, after getting the hemisphere, we have to find out the formula of this hemisphere as a two surface area. One is the chord surface area and second one is the total surface area, means the area of base is also will be included in this. So dear friends, let's see what will be the chord surface area of this hemisphere and total surface area of this hemisphere. So as the chord surface area of hemisphere is the half surface of the sphere, as you know that the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So therefore the chord surface area of hemisphere will be the half of the surface area of the sphere, as the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So half of this 4 pi r square is 2 pi r square, which is the surface area of this sphere. Right friends? So from the figure it is clear that the chord surface area and the flat surface, which is circular, its formula is given. So therefore we can find its surface area, its chord surface area and the total surface area of hemisphere. So let us see the formula of chord surface area and area of circular base, which is flat surface of this hemisphere, so that we can find its both the surfaces, and adding it we will get the total surface area of the hemisphere. So here from the figure, from this figure, it is shown in the figure that from the other figure it is clear that circular base and the chord surface of this hemisphere. Right friends? तो दोस्तों, हम उम्मीद रखते हैं कि आपको हेमिस्फेयर का ये पार्ट समझ में आ रहा होगा, जिससे कि आपको फिगर देखने और इसका एरिया फाइंड करने में कोई परेशानी नहीं होगी। तो आप देख ही रहे होंगे इसका chord surface area का फॉर्मूला, which is 2 pi r square and area of circular base which is pi r square। तो आप सबको अभी ये क्लियर भी हो गया होगा कि अगर chord surface area इसका 2 pi r square है और फ्लैट सरफेस विच इज़ सर्कुलर इसका एरिया पाई आर स्क्वायर है, तो इसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्या हो सकता है। जब आप इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे तो आपको टोटल सरफेस एरिया मिलेगा, और वो टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द हेमिस्फेयर इज़ 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर। सो दोस्तों, हम ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि इस वीडियो के माध्यम से हम आपको स्फेयर और हेमिस्फेयर का नॉलेज अच्छे से दे सके, आपको अच्छे से समझा सके, जिससे कि हमें आपको क्वेश्चंस या एग्जांपल्स या एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस को एक्सप्लेन करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो और आपको समझने में भी कोई दिक्कत ना हो। सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स डिस्कस फ्यू एग्जांपल्स बेस्ड ऑन दिस इज।
नमस्कार मित्रों। दोस्तों, as in the introductory part of the surface area of sphere, we have read the surface area of sphere, which is 4 pi r square. This sphere is having only the information which is the radius. So the surface area, or you can say chord surface area of sphere, both are the same, and this is equals to 4 pi r square, because there is only one surface in the sphere. In the introductory part we have read it. So friends, we have read that about the hemisphere also. Hemisphere is having two surfaces, one chord surface and second that circular surface. Of this, the chord surface area is 2 pi r square and the total surface area is 3 pi r square of the hemisphere. So let us discuss few examples related to the surface area of sphere as well as the hemisphere. Okay friends, so first in this, the example number 7 is given. Find surface area of a sphere of radius 7 cm. As its radius is 7 cm given, it is a sphere. So the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Since radius is given in this, radius is given 7 cm. So surface area of sphere is equals to surface area of sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So 4 pi is 22 upon 7 and r square means 7 square centimeter square. 1 7 is cancelled. So we got that 422 multiplied by 7 centimeter square, which is equals to 4 2 8 88 multiplied by 7 centimeter square. That can be written as 7 8s are 56 plus 7 8s are 56 plus 1, which is 61. 616 centimeter square is the required answer, or you can say the surface area of this sphere. Understood friends? So after that, the example number 8 is also given of your textbook. In this, the question is asking find surface area, chord surface area and total surface area of hemisphere of radius 21 centimeter. So it is a hemisphere. First we need to find out the chord surface area, afterward we have to find out the total surface area of the hemisphere. So radius is given 21 centimeter as the value of r. So first we need to find out the answer of the first. Asking first part, chord surface area of hemisphere is equals to, since formula you know that, chord surface area is equals to chord surface area of hemisphere equals to equals to 2 pi r square. Substitute the value of radius, which is 21 centimeter. 2 pi is 22 upon 7. R square means 21 square centimeter square. So let us solve it. It can be written as 44 upon 7 multiplied by 21 into 21 centimeter square, which is 7 3s are 21. Now it can be written as 4 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 1 13 multiplied by 21 centimeter square. So let's multiply it. 21 2s are 42, carry 2, 21 3s are 63, 21 2s are 42, carry 4, 21 3s are 63 plus 4, 63 plus 4 is 67, carry 6, 21 1s are 21 plus 6 is equals to 27. So we got 2772 centimeter square is the chord surface area of this hemisphere. Second, we have to find out the total surface area of hemisphere. So for the total surface area of hemisphere, second part, for total surface area of hemisphere is formula is 3 pi r square. So 3 pi r square, substitute the value of radius 21 centimeter, 322 upon 7 into r square, that is 21 multiplied by 21 centimeter square. So this is 3's are, we will get that 3 3's are 9 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 21 centimeter square. So let's multiply it. 9 2's are 18, 9 2's are 18, 119 multiplied by 21 centimeter square. So let's multiply this as 198 into 21. So 198 into 21, 8 9 1, 2 8's are 16, 2 9's are 18, 119, 2 1's are 2 1 3, 8 15 5, 10 1 11 and 4, 4158 centimeter square is the total surface area of that hemisphere. So dear friends, as it was asking two questions in this chord surface area, so chord surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, formula you need to learn. So chord surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square is equals to 2772 centimeter square, and the total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. This also you need to learn, which is, after simplifying, we got 4158 centimeter square. So right friends, you have to revise these examples, because based on these examples you can solve the sums of exercise very easily and confidently. See friends, the example number 9, in this it is given the hollow sphere is in the shape of circular which the circus motorcyclist performs his stunts. Means in this hollow sphere the circus motorcyclist is performing his stunts. So has a diameter of 7 meter, its diameter is given of that hollow sphere. Find the area available to the motorcyclist for his riding. Okay, as the diameter of sphere is given, since in the solution of this question diameter is equals to 7 meter, so therefore radius will be 7 by 2, which is 3.5 meter, right? So as the radius of this hollow sphere is 7.5 meter, so the question is asking find area available for motorcyclist for his riding. So the riding area available for motorcycle is equals to, therefore riding area available for motorcyclist is equals to the surface area of the sphere, and to find the surface area of the sphere we need the formula surface area of sphere, which is 4 pi r square. Now substitute the value of radius and pi. So 4 pi is 22 upon 7, radius 3.5 square meter, because radius is in meter. Now simplify it. If we'll multiply 22 in 4, 22 4s are 88 upon 7. This can be written as 3.5 into 3.5 meter square. Let's solve it. 7 5s are, which is 0.5. Now if we multiply 88 into 0.5, we will get half of 88, which will be equals to 44 multiplied by 3.5 meter square. Now we need to multiply this 44 into 3.5 meters. So 44 into 3.5, 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 and 13, 0 4 5 1 means decimal 154 meter square is coming. So therefore 154 meter square. So therefore the area available for motorcyclist is 154 meter square for riding. Answer: the area available for motorcyclist is 154 meters square. Right friends? So to available area is that surface area of the sphere, and the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. In this formula we have substituted the value of pi and 3 that radius. We will get 154 meters square is the area available for that motorcyclist, that he can ride in that much area. Okay friends, understood it easily? Okay friends, so let's see the example number 10 of surface areas of sphere and hemisphere. In order to this, the question is given: a hemispherical dome of building needs to be painted. As in the building, somewhere you had seen there is a dome that is like a hemisphere. A hemispherical dome of a building needs to be painted. उसको हमें paint करना है. If the circumferences of the base of dome is 17.6 meter, circumferences means the perimeter of the circle, that is circumferences of the base of this dome is 17.6 meter. Find the cost of painting it, given that the cost of painting is rupees 5 per 100 centimeter square. Given that cost of painting is rupees 5 per 100 centimeter square. As its circumferences of the base of the dome is given, so in the solution of this question, what is given? The circumferences of base of this dome. Since circumferences is equals to 17.6 meter. 17.6 meter is circumferences is given, and the formula of circumferences is 2 pi r. So from here we can get the value of this radius of that dome, means radius of base of that dome. So let's find the radius. Value 2 pi is 22 upon 7. Radius equals to 17.6 meter. So radius r is equals to 17.6 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22 meter it will be. So let's simplify it. So divided by 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 0.6. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 0.4 multiplied by 7, which is equals to means 0.4 multiplied by 7, which is equals to, which gives you 7 2s are 7 4s are 28, 2.8 meter, and this can be written as 2.8 meter means 280 centimeter, since you know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, right? As the radius came 280 centimeter, so we can find the surface, that chord surface area of hemisphere, which is going to be painted, right? So this dome is going to be painted, so we can find the area of surface is going to be painted is equals to area of surface is to be painted equals to chord surface area of dome, CSA of dome. Therefore CSA means 2 pi r square. So 2 pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 280 square, means 280 multiplied by 280 centimeter square. So 7 4s are 28, 40. We got 44 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 280 centimeter square, right friends? So let's, as this is the area is going to be painted, now we are going to find out the cost of painting this area, और वो भी किस रेट से, with the rate of ₹5 per 100 centimeter square, means 100 centimeter square का हमें ₹5 पे करना है. So this much centimeter square we need to pay what? So the cost of painting is equals to, cost of painting this area is equals to cost of painting equals to ₹5 upon 100 multiplied by, this is 44 into 40 into 280. Simplify करते, zeros, both the zeros are cancelled. Now 5 4s are 44 multiplied by 5 4s are 20 multiplied by 28 rupees. Let's simplify it. We will get 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 multiplied by 28 rupees. अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते, that is equals to 880 multiplied by 28 rupees. So let's multiply it. 880 into 28, 8 8 is 64 plus 670, 2 8 is 16, 117. That we will get 24,640 rupees we need to pay for this painting. So our required answer will be what? That answer will be cost of painting this dome is equals to, so the cost of painting dome is ₹24,640. Right friends? So in this question, the solution of this sum, we need to find out first of all radius of the base, and this radius of base can obtained by The circumferences it was given 17.6 meter. You know that the circumferences of the circle is 2 pi r, is that's why we got the radius is equals to 280 centimeter. After getting 280 centimeter, we need to find area of the surface is to be painted, means chord surface area of dome, by 2 pi r square, as it is hemisphere. So chord surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. After getting it, we have, इसको हमने simplify इसलिए नहीं किया, means we need to simplify at the last. So therefore cost of painting at the rate of rupees 5 per 100 centimeter square. So the cost of painting this dome is 5 upon 100 multiplied by this area. So we got the total cost of painting is rupees 24,640. So our answer is, so the cost of painting of dome is rupees 24,640 rupees, right friend?